Right. Here we have our next AMS roof. And the inspection is good. We don't see any screws backing out. So that's awesome. Happens a lot with AMS. The heat and contraction spins them out. It's weird. It seems to be physically impossible, but it's not. And we're going to get this soft washed up and back in tip shape. And so, like I said, none of these screws are backed out, so that's awesome. The vents are all tight and sealed. So as far as AMS roofs go, this one's in good shape. Just needs to get cleaned. Get it down and get it done. All right. And there's the TPO roof we just washed. There's the other AMS roof we just washed. Today in Imperial Lakes, y'all want the best roof cleaning, give us a call, 727-203-6371. AMS. Whew. Edge. And what you're seeing that is left here is metal showing through. So like here, the paint's really thinning out. But all the oxidation off and all of the organics. That's what we do. That's what we do. Edge. These edges were really bad. They were really super black. All right. There's a wrap. All right. Number 3. We got this cleaned out one a little while ago. Cleaned that one over there a little while ago. Let me get a picture of those patches so I can send them to that client.